Hello, Chef here with yet another exciting video for you. So a lot of people have asked me in the past, what does the black watermelon taste like? Well, this is what I'm going to get into here today with you. Got some garnishing tools here. We're going to select one of them and we're going to do a little carving and a little tasting. But before I get into that, just a little bit of information about this melon. So the black watermelon, or black diamond watermelon, is a really dark color. It's kind of translucent sometimes. Looks a little green, a little purple, a little gray, black. It's got different colors going on, but the main thing is it's different. It's not just the outside look, it's what's inside. So the taste inside this beautiful melon here, it's mild and delicate. It's clean and crisp. It's different than a regular watermelon, and it grows throughout the world. However, you need to get the special hybrid seeds. I'm hoping I have some seeds, magic seeds in here. If I have some seeds and you leave some comments, I will feel compelled to send and share some seeds with some of you. Okay, these can grow up to 30 pounds. The vines can get about 20 to 30 feet long. Crazy big, beautiful melon. How to tell if it's ripe? Well, that's simple. Should have a nice knocking sound. Pick it up, feel it, listen for that sound. Wow, Chef is helping you. Look at that. So before I cut this and do a tasting, I'm going to carve it up. Got some garnishing tools here. You can check out the sponsor. They got all these tools. Yeah, good stuff here. Channel knife, one of my favorites. I can use all these tools to carve this melon, but I'm not going to use like the wrong one. Most importantly, a knife. You need a good sharp knife. If you don't have a good sharp knife, smash up your sponsor there and check out the sales going on. No, this is a stamped German paring knife, NSF certified, antimicrobial built into the handle, lifetime warranty. I think it's $5, but it's nice. I like it. Knife guard. All right, so I like to analyze this and decide what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go with a quadrant of 4 wedges here and probably consume 1/4 of this melon. So to do that, I'm going to start at the flower end here with my channel knife, and I go straight around like this. Wow, look at that. My first garnish right there. We'll call that a knot garnish or a double knot garnish. Kind of cool. Might look nice on a plate with some sushi. All right, I'm going to continue and go around this baby. Just like this. Yep. See what I did there, right? 50-50. Black watermelon now is 2. And I'm going to continue and go around the other way. Just like that. All the way around. Okay. Now you see what I got going on, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 even pieces. I like it. Now each of these pieces, by the way, this one's got an interesting flat spot. And I know that this was grown in the field because of the yellowing and the flat spot. The sun and the natural effects from the plant transfer into the melon. It's full of vitamins and nutrients. Yeah. So now I'm going to do another pattern here. You can mix it up and do whatever you like. I'm going to do something a little different here, like this. Little swirl effect. Cool, right? Okay, and I repeated that again. So if you think this is pretty cool, and you want to have one of these at your next gathering, event, or birthday party, holiday, or Christmas, reach out, contact the chefs. We do have some chefs that travel. Personally, myself, I've opened a lot of resorts for Disney World, Hilton's, Hyatt's, restaurants, all kinds of private catering, elite stuff. So reach out and smash the button there to subscribe, but reach out and talk to the chefs and we'll see what we can do for you. Right there, I got a quarter of a melon. It looks pretty cool. I'm going to do this one a little differently. A little quicker. Make sure to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this melon. And I'm about to do a tasting here. We're going to bust it open. Okay, so I got this big melon. I need a big block. Yeah, there we go. In case you're wondering about this, Boost Block. This is the big one. Check out the sponsor. They got them all on sale. There's a bunch of different sizes. This one's been used for years. It just keeps going. And by the way, we oil it every month. And we use a bench scraper like this to scrape it off and clean it off. This cutting board has never been in the sink. That's why it looks so nice after all these years. Maintenance, proper maintenance. Okay, I got that big melon coming over. Ooh, there we go. Okay, well, by looking at this, trying to decide which piece to eat, when I'm not sure, I'm gonna probably go for the left. Could be riper than the right side. Depends which way you look at it, right? Yep. All right, I've got a large knife here. This is the Porsche Turbo chef knife. Comes even bigger. This one here is the I think the Hakata. It's like about an 8.5 inch. It comes 10 inch as well. Really, really nice series. I like these. It's going to be very, very easy to cut this melon. I'm going to go right down the line here like this. Yep. And I'm going to cut in right like this. Right down the line. You got to have a good knife for watermelon. There's no such thing as a watermelon knife. It's the knife that's comfortable and friendly and usable to you, not some garbage someone's trying to mass market. Quality, buy the best the first time. Wow, look at that. Nice. Wow, looks really good, smells sweet. Let's do a quick tasting here, and I'm going to tell you what I think. Since I'm on camera, I'm going to do it like this. Wow! This melon gets a 9.9 out of 10. Perfect! Subscribe right there. Visit your sponsor. Smash the like button. Seek out the black watermelon. Oh yeah. Have a great day. I've got a brie cheese crouton, and that's my broccoli soup. Your soup? Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, support your sponsors. Most of all, get cooking. Have a beautiful day. It's good to go. Yeah, and now we repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's going to really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it. Magical mystery oil. A little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. Good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut, big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.